Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna play Clash Royale. So this game, it has 100 million downloads, and the developers are Supercell, and mm, basically it is 121 MB, 4.2 stars, and 30 million reviews. Rated for 7 plus. Oh my gosh, I exited just now. Oh wait, what the heck? Considering put that thing there. Don't bomb. Don't drop that bomb on me. You know, put it right here. Hello there. Maybe I'm gonna lose because this is my first time playing this. Okay, I'm gonna do because this is my first time playing this. So yeah, I lost. And follow me, Clash Royale, SledgeHammer. I don't know if you can add friend or not. I'm just saying. Wait, did I enter the match or did I do some new back? What name you got there? Maybe if you destroy that dude, something will happen. Just guessing. Okay, it's good. Knights here. So putting some knights there. Okay, I got you. And maybe this one put here. Minions. So let's do this, my man. Okay, I'm gonna put some dudes there. So break the wall. Yes. Oh, they're at least there. Okay, am I gonna win this round? Yeah. Yes, maybe I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna do something. So yes, maybe I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some wall breaker there. What the heck? Okay, that dude is dead. Maybe get new one crown first. We're gonna do one by one. Gonna put some. Wait. No bug on. No back won. I almost won. But instead, he won. Like I said, it's my first time playing it. I hate it. Because I lost. It's kind of hard, you know. Okay, this is good. This is good. Yes. Maybe I should consider putting. I never used the giant before, and I'm gonna use it. This is okay, we'll put some okay, some goes here. Arrows. Oh no. Bomb. Nice. Am I gonna win? Am I gonna have the same one again? Am I gonna lose again? Or am I gonna win? 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 Yes, I win. I won. Yes. We won for the first time. Congratulations. We won. Okay, this is a very fun. Okay, we're gonna try one more. We're gonna try win one more. I mean, maybe two more at least. Maybe this one goes here. This one goes here. This one goes here. And I consider some giants. I never used. Okay, this is my second time using giant. Oh my gosh, what a giant! What a noob. Minions. This is awesome. I like this game. It's cool. It has terribly amazing graphics. Oh, that's next. Okay, nice. Put some wall breakers there. Put this dude right there. Oh, he fireballed me. Oh, that's how you play, huh? Maybe you're gonna pay the price for doing that to me, punk. Okay, gonna put one dude there. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, he's want minions. I'm dead man if I don't have minions. And things. Oh no. Okay, maybe this is this one. Go. Okay, it hit both. So let's go for that one. Don't shoot it. Ooh, archers. I don't know what is their strength or anything. I just know this game. You need to destroy that. Get 3 crowns, and you win. And then you got crowns. If you get 3 crowns, and then your reward will be 3 crowns. Okay, that's how the game works. Probably you should consider downloading it. Oh, I got a 2. I got ×2 elixir. Some archers there. Put minions there. Arrow that. Some wall breakers there. So knights there. And also archer dude there. Also this there. I'm very nervous. Am I gonna? Yep, I'm gonna lose again. Please don't lose again. What a coincidence. I mean, I lost again. Good game. Why am I such a loser? Okay, maybe what is this? Ooh. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Ooh, is this the president get 5 rare prince rare? Ooh, you spent a lot of time on my mans. Okay, 2 more, and then I will end this video. If I win those both of them, I'll be so happy. Maybe my weakness is I just unleash them like that. No. Wait, I want to use the giant. Hope. Ooh, took them less than 1 minute to do that. Oh no, I'm gonna lose. I know I'm gonna lose. Some big loser in this game, maybe. No, please. No, okay, so now, okay, the enemy won just like that. So yeah. Okay, let's do it again. One more. If we lose, I'm gonna end this video. Okay, and then let's do one more. If we lose this, okay, it's right. I'm very right. This game is very addictive. Allow zone versus SledgeHammer. Let's go. Okay, let's do it again. Are we gonna lose? Or are we gonna win? Oh no, we're gonna lose again. Maybe, because sometimes if I wanna win, let's put the worst on. It's kind of annoying when you lose all the time. Arch. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's sing that. Okay. Maybe we need to defeat that dude again. Okay, let's do this. Please. kind of fireball? This tower. Oh no! I put that. Oh no! Wow! Yeah! Boom! Bye bye! Ooh! Okay, both of us is crowns. One crown right now. So both collecting crowns, you know. Archers, knights, wall breakers, goblins. I mean minions. That probably looks like goblins. Oh no, this is bad. It's real bad. They are approaching my turret. Go, 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 go. Enemy is good. Okay, I lost. We're gonna end this video again. Okay, thank you guys for watching this channel. So please like the video and subscribe. I don't know why I tried so hard in this game, but it all paid off. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.